Hi again. It's me, Lily. And guess what? Today I will tell you all about Waffles. He's our big, silly dog, and he is always doing something funny. Waffles is not a pancake. He is a golden retriever, but he loves pancakes. One day he tried to eat mine. Max shouted, "No, Waffles! That's ketchup, not syrup." He made a funny face like this. Blah! Waffles loves socks. He doesn't wear them. He eats them. You! One time I said, "Waffles, where's my yellow sock?" And guess what? He was sitting on it and smiling. Bath time is Waffles' biggest adventure. He sees the tub and runs. Dad says, "Come here, boy." But Waffles says, "Nope." We all chase him around the house. Then, splash! He jumps in the tub like a superhero. Water everywhere, even on Max's nose. Ha ha ha! Waffles loves the garden. He helps me dig holes for flowers. But sometimes he buries my toys. I found my doll under the tomato plant. Thanks, Waffles. I guess. At night, Waffles gets very sleepy. He lies down next to my bed. He makes a funny snoring sound. Snark! I say, "Good night, Waffles. I love you more than pancakes." And he goes, "Woof." That means I love you too. Waffles is not perfect. He is silly, stinky, and sometimes super loud. But he is my best dog in the whole wide world. Do you have a pet too? Tell them Waffles says woof.